A ride in the 2019 Arteon. The Volkswagen Arteon offers plenty of convenience and functionality by utilizing 4 doors and a hatchback. A comfortable ride, plenty of high-quality finishes, and the overall utility of this vehicle makes it one you'll want to take a look at, and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, power lift gate, navigation system, air conditioning, dual airbags, heated rear seats, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, power windows. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.